Hey guys, hello everyone and welcome to my channel The Science Vlog. In today's video we are going to talk about the most abundant chemical element of our universe, which constitutes about 75% of our whole universe. All of you maybe know about the first element of the periodic table, the hydrogen. Hydrogen is the lightest element in our universe. Also it is the element having simplest atomic structure comparison with all other elements in periodic table. Because of its simple atomic structure and lightweight, it is most abundant chemical element in whole universe. Maximum things in universe like stars, gas giant planets, and also the molecular gas clouds are made up of hydrogen. Hydrogen is most abundant chemical element in our universe, but it is the least abundant chemical element of our Earth's atmosphere. The reason for this is its lightweight and simple atomic structure. Its atomic weight is totally negligible. Because of its low mass, it can easily escape the Earth's gravitational force. In Earth's atmosphere, hydrogen present in only part per million by volume. Earth's gravity can't hold hydrogen molecules in its atmosphere. It doesn't mean that there is no availability of hydrogen in whole planet. Most of the hydrogen present on Earth is in the form of various compounds. It combines with other elements to form various chemical compounds. Greatest amount of hydrogen present on Earth is in the form of water. Combination of two atoms of hydrogen and one atom of oxygen forms the single water molecule. Other than water, hydrogen forms so many other compounds with so many other elements like oxygen. We know so many hydrocarbons which we are using in our daily life. Hydrocarbons are the compounds formed by the combination of hydrogen and carbon. So many fuels are made up of hydrocarbons like gasoline, diesel fuel, and so many oils which we can use as combustion fuel. Also the gas like methane is the hydrocarbon. Now let's see the uses and applications of hydrogen where we can use this element for our convenience. Hydrogen has wide range of flammability in comparison with all other fuels which we are using in our present time. Hence we can use the hydrogen as combustion fuel. Hydrogen can be combusted in an internal combustion engine over a wide range of fuel-air mixture. There is two benefits of using hydrogen as fuel. First is hydrogen has very low ignition energy. The amount of energy required to ignite hydrogen is very less as compared to other fuels. And second is when we burn hydrogen, it produces only water as a byproduct, so that there is no any problem of spreading air pollution. Other than the combustion fuel, we can use hydrogen for the production of electricity by using the fuel cells. Fuel cells uses the chemical energy of hydrogen to create the electricity. We can use the fuel cells for running electrical vehicles. Now all these applications are beneficial applications for us, but there also has some applications which can harm us. Hydrogen is also being used to make dangerous weapons like atomic bomb, which we call the hydrogen bomb. Hydrogen bomb uses the combination of nuclear fission reaction and nuclear fusion reaction to cause so many destruction and release both radiations and mechanical shock waves when it gets detonated. The similar reaction is continuously happening in the sun, so that it can supply us that much high amount of energy from so long distance. Hydrogen bomb can release so high amount of energy which cause too much destruction, but we can't use this energy by taking control over it because we have not yet any proper technology to control that much high energy. Now we know about so many applications and benefits of using the hydrogen, but where we can acquire this chemical element in its pure form. We have so many methods of acquiring hydrogen in its pure form. Here is the list of that all methods of acquiring hydrogen in its pure form. In our next video, we will discuss all these methods in detail. If you like this video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.